From dream to reality, navigating the building permit process. Whether a cozy home or a towering skyscraper, every construction project starts as a vision. Transforming this vision into tangible bricks and mortar is an intricate ballet of processes and regulations. Let's delve deeper into this journey, exploring the building permit process in all its nuanced stages. Number 1. Pre-design and zoning assessment. Before even a single line is sketched, the compatibility of the proposed project with the local planning and zoning requirements must be ascertained. This phase might involve consultations with local zoning officers, understanding land use categories, setback restrictions, and permissible building heights. Navigating these rules ensures the project stands in harmony with its environment and community. Number 2. Crafting the permit application. Armed with an understanding of zoning requirements, architects and engineers collaborate to craft the project's blueprint. Once the design aligns with zoning stipulations, a comprehensive permit application is assembled. This typically includes site plans, architectural drawings, structural schematics, and even details of utilities like water and electricity. Number 3. Submission and administrative review. When the permit package lands on the desk of the building department, an initial administrative review kicks off. Here, clerks verify the completeness of the application. Are all documents in order? Have the appropriate fees been paid? Is there any missing information that needs addressing? Number 4. Technical deep dive, the plan review. Post-administrative vetting, the application advances to specialists. Experts meticulously examine each aspect of your design. Structural review. Civil engineers assess the resilience and safety of the proposed structure. Fire safety and egress analysis. Ensuring adequate fire protection measures, exit routes, and emergency provisions. Electrical, plumbing, and HVAC review. Each system is checked for compliance with safety standards and energy efficiency norms. Number 5. Feedback and revisions. It's not uncommon for the plan review to yield feedback. Maybe the window sizes need tweaking for egress purposes, or perhaps a particular structural element requires reinforcement. This phase can involve a back and forth with the building department, making necessary revisions to achieve compliance. Number 6. Green light, issuance of permits. Once all experts are satisfied and the design ticks every compliance box, the coveted building permit is granted, signaling the official go-ahead for construction. Number 7. The oversight, periodic inspections. However, obtaining a permit doesn't mean bidding goodbye to the building department. As construction progresses, periodic inspections are scheduled. From foundation pouring and framing to system installations and finishing, inspectors validate that the actual construction mirrors the approved plans. Number 8. The final review. With construction wrapped up, a final comprehensive inspection is conducted. This ensures that every element, from the basement to the roof, adheres to the codes and approved designs. Number 9. Certificate of occupancy or completion. Passing the final inspection paves the way for issuing the certificate of occupancy for habitable structures, or a certificate of completion. This document celebrates the project's adherence to safety and compliance norms, allowing occupants to move in or utilize the space. Number 10. County Tax Office recording. Last but not least, this certificate is formally recorded with the County Tax Office, cementing the structure's legal and tax-related standing. In a nutshell, the path from a construction dream to a real-world marvel is paved with regulations, reviews, and rigorous checks. While seemingly complex, these steps guarantee that our constructed environments are safe, sustainable, and harmonious. This dance of diligence ensures that structures don't just stand, but they stand strong and safe.